this video, we are going to walk through the installation of the SiteAudit Visualizer and Analyzer prerequisites. Okay, and first of all, to show you what these prerequisites are, let's go to the netaphor.com website and go to download. Okay, and this is where we'll get all the content for SiteAudit Onsite. As we scroll down through this page, we'll see various requirements, supported platforms, etc. So here are the requirements for SiteAudit Analyzer and Visualizer. So before you install SiteAudit, you'll want to make sure that you have Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Visio if you want Visualizer. And then it also says that we must install the Microsoft Office tools. Okay, so you can obtain those right up here. Microsoft Office tools. You'll just click this download link, enter your email address and your name, and download. Okay, and that will get you the content that you need. Alright, so I've already done that. I have the content here. It is a zip package, but before I run this, I want to show you what the experience will be like if you have not installed the prerequisites already. So here I have a SiteAudit install media. I'm going to go ahead and launch this, and we're going to take a look and go through the installation to see what features we have available to us. Okay, so this is a startup wizard. Tells us a SiteAudit version number here. The next thing we'll do is accept the license agreement, and then here we are looking at the features. So here's where we would select the Visualizer and Analyzer, and it says installs a Microsoft Visio add-in that allows mapping of printers onto a floor plan. This component requires Visio 2010 Professional or above and prerequisites, and something similar for Analyzer, but you notice we can't select these because we don't have the proper prerequisites installed on this machine. So we're going to do that. I'm going to cancel this. Okay, and now I'm going to install the prerequisites. So the first thing we're going to do is extract this package. Okay, there you go. And then we'll just double click this setup and run it. Now, if for some reason you go through this process and it doesn't actually work, sometimes you actually have to come inside this package and double click this and run it this way. But let's just go ahead and run the setup. This is the normal process. Okay, let me close this. All right, so we could see here we have the license agreement. This is a Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 Tools for Office Runtime. So that's essentially what you're looking for if you decide for some reason you want to go out and get this from the website, from Microsoft's site or something. Anyway, let's just accept the agreement, and now it's going to install those prerequisites for us. You'll want to keep an eye on the installation. You may get something like this for UAC. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And we'll say yes. If you fail to hit that, accept that dialog, the installation will fail. All right, so you do want to keep an eye on that. Make sure that you do select this, acknowledge that dialog when it comes up. Okay, this shouldn't take too long. It's probably just a couple minutes. Okay, so that's it. The installation's complete. From here on, when you run the SiteAudit install media, you should be able to select the Visualizer or Analyzer feature, provided that you have Microsoft Office or Visio installed on your system. And that's it.